Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile so that only your friends can see your photos and posts. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now guys, log into your Facebook account. You would like to lock the profile. Then guys, press up on the menu button. Press up on the menu button. Then guys, you go to your Facebook profile. Then guys, after reaching your profile, make sure that you press on the three dots near edit profile. Press on the three dots near edit profile. Then guys, press on lock profile. Press on lock profile right there. Then guys, make sure that you press here on lock your profile. Then guys, you can take a look here. My profile is locked. So that's how you can lock your Facebook profile. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.